There's a lot of talk about the way we appear, the way that we present in a courtroom. And sometimes what happens is our clients get the wrong message. There is freedom of speech, there is freedom of expression, don't get me wrong. But have you seen how the way someone presents affects what ultimately happens in their case? Presentation matters, all right? No matter what you think your freedom of speech or freedom of expression protects, your presentation could affect the outcome of your case.
That's absolutely true. I mean, there's a lot of, the Uniform Superior Court rules, at least in Georgia, judges have a wide latitude to take into remorse for the crime. And they judge that in a bunch of different ways. How seriously they think you're taking it, whether or not you're acting any kind of way in front of them, whether you're acting like it's a joke, whether you're rolling their eyes. Various different things like that can, trigger, even if just unconsciously, a reaction you don't want.
And so when someone has that kind of latitude, kind of in contrast or comparison to the federal courts, with that kind of latitude, you want to have everything in your favor. That means who's with you, how you present, how your case is presented, the type of evidence that's presented, but just talking superficially about one thing, your presentation.
Right, so a lot of times I'll tell people, no matter how you feel about your case, that prosecutor over there, the cop that arrested you, or that judge, have respect for the process. At least have respect for the process. At least understand it's there to protect all of us and treat it like that.
I'm seeing, when I go into courthouses and when I go into courtrooms, I'm seeing people who aren't quite prepared for that discussion. Either their attorneys haven't given them the information or haven't shown them how effective it can be. Dressing up for court is not a bad thing. In fact, it should be the way you want judges and prosecutors to see you at your best. And that doesn't necessarily mean you're out of character or you're somebody else, but at your best considering the circumstances.
I mean, you don't even have to look good. I remember way back in the day, we had a possession with intent case that got knocked down from a trafficking case. That client showed up with a suit about 2 sizes too big for him, without it being tailored, still had his stuff all stitched up. But it made a difference because the judge noticed that man ran out and bought a suit and put it on before he came in that courtroom.
He tried. And when you make the effort towards your case and the resolution you want, people notice. It's amazing how this gets overlooked. I think it sometimes gets forgotten as one of those pre-court lessons that's given to people. So I want to make sure that you hear it from us, people who've done this for 18 years individually, over 30 years together. It does matter how you present. It matters how your lawyer looks. It matters how your lawyer presents. It matters how you look. In fact, it even matters how the people who walk into court with you look. Now, it doesn't mean color. It doesn't mean outfit. What it means is that you appear to be taking this process seriously and that you're trying to show the judge a better side of you.